Hey there, Amanda with Winterize Outdoor Living. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video, I want to talk to you about getting your travel trailer ready for the winter. That sad time when we recognize that the weather's changing and we just can't camp anymore. Unfortunately, we've not reached a point where we're full-time RVers. We can't travel around the country to follow the warm weather, though we would certainly love to. We live in Northeast Tennessee, and so we do, in fact, have a definite season for when we can camp and when we can't. Now, thankfully, it is a rather long season, but usually by mid-October, we have to face the facts that it's time to put the camper away. So just like getting the camper out and getting it ready, there are so many steps to try to remember, all the things you have to do to get the camper ready for the season, to de-winterize it. You would think, well, it's just kind of the reverse, right? When you get it ready to winterize. Well, that's true. Mostly it is. You are going to kind of do a lot of things in the opposite steps. Instead of flushing out your plumbing system to free it from the antifreeze, you're going to add the antifreeze, of course, to your plumbing system. But there's so much more than just getting your pipes and your plumbing system ready, although that is obviously one of the most important steps for winterizing. You also want to do things around the camper to get it ready to protect it from the winter, bugs and vermin and all that's going to come in, and just the general cleaning and things that you want to do to get your seals ready, all that stuff for the winter. So I created, again, another checklist for you to help you winterize your travel trailer. So that's what you have here. And again, it is totally editable. You can use it on Google Sheets, and that's where I set it up. And you can also use it on Excel if you're Microsoft Excel. But having it on Google is great because you can use it on your cell phone. You can use it on your laptop. You can print it out in a PDF format. So it has everything that you're going to need there to help you know all the steps you need to take to winterize your travel trailer and get it ready. So we hope that it's helpful to you. If you're not sure yet or don't really know if you want to check it out, then I encourage you to sign up for our email. We'll send you a free RV trip planner, and in the email series that you receive, you will get a sample of our checklists, so you can try them out for yourself and see if it's something that you'd be interested in using. And hopefully they'll be as helpful for you as they have been for me, so that I don't forget things, because I am busy. I run a couple of businesses. I help my husband. I have 3 kids and I homeschool. So I tend to forget things if I don't have a checklist. So that's why I created these. They help me stay organized and enjoy our RV camping with a little less stress, and hopefully they'll do the same for you. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.